Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 14.6 question number 8. Draw an angle of 70 degree. Make a copy of it using only straight edge and compasses. Right. First of all, we draw an angle of 70 degree. First take a ruler. We have taken a ruler. Here we'll use we'll take a line. We have taken a line here. Now with the help of protractor, take a protractor here. Let us take the protractor. We have taken the protractor. With the help of protractor, we can measure, put the protractor correctly and measure of 70 degree. This one is 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 60. This is 70 degree, right? Let us take a point on this 70 degree. Let us take a point on 70, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 and this one is 60. This one is 70. 70. This point is 70. We take a point here, right? Now with the help of ruler, draw a line, right? With the help of ruler, draw this line. Now draw a line here. This is angle of 70 degree, right? This angle is 70 degree and put an arrow here. Put an arrow here. This point is A point. This point is B point. And this point is C point. Alright. Draw an angle of 70 degree. This is angle of 70 degree. This angle is 70 degree. Make a copy of it using only a straight edge and compass. You have to make a copy of this angle, that is angle of 70 degree, with the help of compass and ruler. This is 70 degree, right? Now we will make a copy of it using an straight edge, right? First of all, with the help of ruler, draw a line. Right. After that, take a compass. Let us take the compass. We have taken the compass here. Now, with the help of compass, take the pointer at point B. Take the pointer at point B. Take the pointer at point B and place it properly, right? And take an arc. Take an arc like this, right? And now draw an arc, right? We are drawing an arc here. Right? Without disturbing the length of this arc, take this pointer here. and draw an arc here. Right? Now again take this pointer at this point, take the pointer at this point and adjust the distance here to mark this point. Right? Now cut this arc. Right? Now take this pointer at this point, and make an arc here. Right? This is exactly same as that of 70 degree. Right? Now let us join this one. Let us join this one. Let us join this line. Now draw another line here and join this line. Now give the name here. We are giving the name here. The name is, suppose, give an arrow here first. We are giving an arrow. We again give in here an arrow. And the name of this point is D. This point is E. And this point is F. Right? And this is exactly 70 degree. This is exactly 70 degree. Right? And the name of this angle, is ABC, angle ABC, angle A, BC is equal to 70 degree. Angle ABC is equal to angle ABC is equal to 70 degree. This is 70 degree. And here also you see angle DEF, angle DEF, angle DEF is also is equal to 70 degree. 70 degree. Right? Now you see the question was, draw an angle of 70 degree, make a copy of it using only straight edge and compasses. Right? Now if you measure this angle, we will see that this is angle of 70 degree. Right? With the help of protractor you can also measure that this angle is actually 70 degree. If you put the protractor in proper way, it in proper way, we will find that it is 70 degree. Since it is also 70 degree, you see this one is 70 degree. This is exactly 70 degree, right? And this is also 70 degree, right? If you put the properly, it is also 70 degree. Therefore, we find that this is an exact copy of it, right? Right? Therefore, make a copy of it using only straight edge and compass. With the help of ruler and compass, we make this 70 degree. Here, the angle is 70 degree, that is copy of this angle, right? In this way, you can copy an angle like this, right? That means first you have to draw a 70 degree, you have to take an arc here, and from this point you take the measure of this arc, right? Here also you take the same arc here, and here from this point you cut the arc here, and you will get the exact copy of this angle. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.